acceleration, and off the handbrake. And before you start moving, you always need to look at the mirror and then blinker to the right side. After blinking, you check the side left mirror, back window over the shoulder here, and also here, side mirror and back window here. And then release the brake. Let's start doing the A course. Half the speed. Foot on the brake, check your back, nobody coming in, don't need to stop. Speed. Foot on the brake and check right side, left side, foot on accelerator. Always try to cross your hands. And now we speed up to 50. Keep your body at the center. Stop accelerating. Look here and brake twice. 1. Second brake down to 20. Off the brake. And we have a change lane here. So mirror, blinker. Wait for the diamond to check the side. Back. Look forward. On the second diamond, we change to the right lane. Blinker to the right. Slow down. Nobody coming. Follow the triangle here. Number 25. So speed. Blinker to the left. Slow down. And here we have the first bicycle check. So check the side mirror, your side window, and then we full turn. So always before you turn in left, you need to check the bicycle. Okay. Slowly. Blinker to the left side and check. Right, left, right, and let's go to the left here. Blinker to the left and brake. 1, 2, and stop. Again, because we are turning left, you check the bicycle. Here, check over the shoulder, and then your left side. Straight. Now, full turn. We go straight. So twice. 1, 2. Check your left, and then before the corner, we check. Slow down, less than 20, and foot on the accelerator. Here we have a change lane to the left. So mirror, blinker. half turn and go to the left lane. Off the blinker and speed. Now again change lane to the left side. So mira, blinker, side, back, forward, move, slow down, and bicycle check here. Release the brake. Seatbelt, your seat. ありがとうございました。And then check the side and the back and open it up. Okay. A lot of things to do. Okay, let's go outside and check the wheels before getting the car. Okay?